Hi, I'm Colin from HDCCTV.co.uk. This video is about our IP joystick, the XSDZ-3DM-IP7. Snappy little name, I'm sure you'll agree. Okay, so it's a control keyboard with pan and tilt zoom joystick for IP cameras, and it has a built-in 7-inch screen. It connects to a network using a standard CAT5 cable. Once connected, you can search the network for any compatible IP cameras and add them, including non-PTZ cameras. It can display 1 or 4 cameras on its built-in screen, and it has a HDMI display output that will display 1 camera full screen or up to 9 cameras split screen onto a high-definition TV or monitor wall. It can control, move and zoom any compatible PTZ camera using the joystick, and you can do it one-handed. You twist the joystick to zoom in and out. It's compatible with ONVIF, I8, I8H and GB28181 IP protocols, and it works with all of our 1080p and 720p IP cameras. You can set up preset positions for instant recall, and you can also use the tour, patrol and pattern functions for continuously scanning large areas. The built-in screen resolution is 800 by 480, and the HDMI output is up to 4K resolution. It has 2 USB sockets. One is for a mouse. It's not supplied, but it's useful to get a mouse plugged in. It makes setting up very simple. And the other USB is for carrying out firmware upgrades via a USB memory stick or hard drive. It has RS485 connections for controlling non-IP PTZ cameras, and it has a 3.5mm audio out connection. Mains power supply is included, and the joystick has a flip-up stand that gives you a better viewing angle while operating while sitting down. That concludes this video. The joystick's available to buy from our website now, HDCCTV.co.uk, or please give us a call on 01952 505 696. Thanks for watching.